country living is more than just a way of life. It's a genuine adventure. I miss this bridge so much.
For sure.
Yeah.
I mean, you probably could have gotten your house in on this direction.
That's true. But then I wouldn't have written the book.
That's true.
Okay, so do tell me about this this bucolic. Did I say it right?
No, it's bucolic.
Bucolic.
Like bucolic. We live in a bucolic atmosphere out
Okay,
here.
see, that's the important thing. You got to get that right.
Without that, there's no book, there's no illustrations, there's no nothing. So we must have order in the language.
Okay.
So welcome to Bucolic, which is where my wife Donna and I live with our 2.5 cats. And I've recently written a book about my experiences out here, trying to adapt to country living from the perspective of somebody who has lived in cities, San Francisco, Oakland, and in semi-cities like Bellingham. I lived in Bellingham for, 20 years, I guess, out of the 30 I've been here, and moved out to the country here. And it's been quite the experience for me, and I think probably quite the humorous experience for our neighbors and new friends to watch me adapt. And I actually studied briefly in San Francisco at the world-famous Columbia School of Broadcasting. That lasted a few months. And I enjoyed writing copy for news and advertisements and things like that. And I searched back in my memory, and I happened to meet this wonderful woman, Ellen Clark, who is a fantastic illustrator. And I thought, I wonder if she'd be willing to work on this project. And she was kind enough to do so. And her drawings just capture everything perfectly. So we have a combination of my alleged humorous words, hopefully some insight here and there, and Ellen's wonderful drawings.
My crazy drawings.
They're just perfect. And I think it's a good combo. And we hope folks will, you folks out there, will be willing to help us get this published on the market. And in doing so, we would love to give you some wonderful premium gifts, which are on the Kickstarter website.